Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Cinquanta Cox Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Today I'll be talking about Awkward Styles, a new print-on-demand site that you've probably not heard of or just learning about. So I'm here to show you guys how to sign up for an account, how to create your product, and then of course, as I always do, I'm going to do an unboxing on some of the products. If you're new here, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Other people can learn about Awkward Styles as well. Here is their homepage to Awkward Styles. They had just started doing print on demand about a year ago. Before, they were doing just like B2B stuff and helping different companies like that. They were a vendor for Printify as well. Now they're fulfilling their own orders and selling to you so we all can integrate our products. That's just a little overview of the site. They have over 150 products. They have mock-ups, 24/7 email support, lower shipping prices, no order minimum, and of course what we all love is integrations. What is a print-on-demand site if we cannot integrate it with our store? Of course, you see two of the biggest ones, Shopify and Etsy, and then also they have WooCommerce, and as always, most sites do have the API connection where you can sign up. Here it just shows that they are trusted by some of these brands, and then this is the rest of the website. I am going to go ahead and hit the sign up button. I already have an account, but I wanted to go through this step so you guys can see what this page looks like. The first step is just says sign up for free. You can connect with your Google, or you can go ahead and manually type in your information and then hit register. I'm going to go ahead and sign in. I am signed in, and this is what it looks like. I've already confirmed my email, but I love when sites do this, put you through each step so you know what to do. The first thing, I'm going to go ahead and click on create a product template, and I'm going to go ahead and choose a product. This kind of helps you when it's a new website. I love when they have it set up like that. Of course, I love seeing the bestseller they have is our unisex jersey tee, the 3001 Bella Canvas. We love this shirt, and I believe they just added new colors, so that is always a plus. Let's see what color I am going to go with. There's berry, black, I have a dark gray, it's like a maroon, we have pink. Do I want to do white? I always buy white shirts. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and get a white shirt, and I'm gonna do a large. I'm gonna go ahead and do a large shirt. I chose white. You can go and hit select light colors, select dark colors. I'm gonna go ahead and add my design, and I'm gonna choose a file from my device. Also note that it does have recommended size files and resolutions here as well. So I just made a design that I want to try out. I'm going to go ahead and upload that. Hopefully that was the right file. So that is uploading. I'm going to choose the white shirt. As always, it has an option for you to add your own text here. It has things that you already have in your library, and then it has an Awkward Styles library. I'm going to delete this hello really quick, and I'm just going to click on this. This is just, it says aloha here. You can add that to the shirt, and then of course the back as well. Actually, I want this design on the back. I am going to go back to my library, and I'm going to go ahead and hit my design, and I am going to go ahead and make that bigger because I want this on the back of my shirt. I want to make sure everything's aligned. So far, that looks good. I'm going to go ahead and click up here to preview really quickly. And again, I'm just going to get this on the back. I just want that on the back of my shirt. There's a product review. And here it talks about the variants. We have extra small all the way up to 4XL, all of the different colors that they have, again, that you can see. Then you have information about shipping, United States, and then all other countries. So lots of information on this page as well. I'm gonna hit preview again because I did see something where it says create order. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit create order from there instead of create a template. Here is my first product, and I'm gonna go ahead and add this to cart. Did I hit the size? I have my size large. I'm gonna go ahead and add that to cart. Then I'm gonna go back to my dashboard because obviously I have not finished doing my full setup. So I was supposed to create a template. I created a product. The next step is to connect your store. So let me go over to my Etsy. I have Etsy open. I'm going to go ahead and select my e-commerce platform that I want to connect to. I want to connect to Etsy. And you guys have seen me do this many times before. Again, you have to allow the access for Awkward Styles to connect with your Etsy account. And now I have Etsy account connected to my Awkward Styles shirt. So from there, you can go ahead and add products, you can view products and more. I'm just gonna go back to the dashboard for purposes of creating this. And it says add products to your store. Another one says to upload products. Let's see, you synchronize products. You can hit the little synchronize button. And I'm assuming if I already have products there, hitting synchronize will send them all to Etsy, the ones that I've already created on Awkward Styles, and they would just sync like that. Of course, it says no data there because I don't have any products in my store just yet. We're gonna check out this top here. Let me see what colors they have. They have white and black. I'm gonna check out the black one, and it's a medium. Let me see if I have any design that I think I would want on this top. Get to that. Let me back real quick to the woman's clothes, and let's go to, what is it? It's considered a hoodie, right? Crop tops. I want to show you guys that these products, when you click on these products, all of these products normally have different size information and stuff like that. It has the different sizes, the colors, the shipping. It has pale pink. That's cute. Pale pink and 4 sizes as well. Shipping again. Add design. I want you to choose. Again, their lowest recommended size is 3600 by 48. I have another design that I have been working on. Let's check that one out. And I think this one would look better on a white crop top hoodie. I'm going to check that out and see what that looks like. I'm going to go ahead and spread that out just a little bit and make sure that it's even and everything looks good. Then I'm going to go ahead and hit preview so I can see what that looks like. And I'm probably going to go for medium. I'm going to go ahead and hit preview. I really like that. I do want to go back and you know what? I don't even want to put a logo on the back. So I'm going to hit create template, and then I'm going to hit upload products. We can see that I'll have a product, so I can upload that to my Etsy store that I've already connected. And then what I see here is they have some mock-ups. So the front, I'll probably do the flat mock-up there, and then you can go ahead and change it to title, fill in your description, do your tags. If you want to, it wants me to select shipping profile, so I guess I have to do that one. What I'll actually do is hit create a new shipping profile. That way my everything is lined up, Awkward Styles, pricing and things like that. Then that'll save me a lot of trouble when it comes to trying to figure out exactly synchronized section. There we go. I have to pick my collection. I think this might be a small business one. You can put tags. So what I did was hit this and it brought my collections in, and you can choose the occasion if you want to. I'm just gonna do, let's see, I'm gonna put New Year's. It's all about hustling. Then you can upload your project, your product. So you can upload your product. Now that's publishing to my Etsy store. We're gonna go over to my Etsy store, and then we're gonna check out my listings, and we're gonna see if it goes to like draft or it goes straight to active. Let's give it a few minutes. It says status is sync, so let's check that out one more time and see if it went to drafts or active. It might have went straight to the active. It went to the active products, which is okay, but just note that's what will happen. I am going to move it to draft though, or deactivate it, because again, this was tutorial purposes. We're gonna go back to dashboard. We have added our products to the store, and last we'll add our billing information here. You'll add your debit card, and once you add your debit card, of course, you'll be done. I won't add my debit card here right now, but that'll be the last step that you have to do. This is Awkward Styles, and you have the full product category. You have kids clothing, accessories, home and living, and wall art. Over here, you have your product templates. You have the stores that you've connected, very own products that is sync with whatever you do with the integration. You have your integrations to the stores, your settings, and if you want to do Awkward Styles Pro, this is how much it costs and all of the discounts and the bonuses that you will get with that. I've showed you guys how to load on Awkward Styles. We went through uploading a t-shirt and a crop top hoodie. We synced our Etsy store. We learned how to finish our account completely. And what I am going to do next is I'm going to finish my order. I'm going to order my products. In the next video, you guys will see from Awkward Styles. If you have any questions, you can reach out to the amazing people at Awkward Styles for any questions about the software or anything like that. They do have a tab with more about pricing, shipping, return policy, and etc. But I'm going to go ahead and finish designing my products so that I can get this unboxing going for you guys. The next video you'll see is me unboxing my products from Awkward Styles.
I love you more than I love this video. Peace.